Hello my friends, welcome back to another episode of Broski. Today in this video I just want to show you how to clear the cache of your Windows PC in a second. So if you just want to know about this, follow my video instruction. First of all, I just open my local disk. As you can see, my drives is about to full, so we can free up from the cache with one tool I will show here from Microsoft Store, which is completely free. So what you're gonna do here, just search on box. Right here was the disk cleaner. Once you got the result, just install it. It's already installed to my PC. Just gonna open from search. So let me type here was disk cleaner. Once I got the result, I'm just gonna click to open, and here you can see our application is ready to scan. So you can choose any of them you want to clean up, so we can choose all of them to full clean up. I'm just gonna click on scan, and you can see it's now finding out all the cache from my Windows PC, and it's going to make your PC faster, and it's completely free. You're not going to pay anything. So once I just clear it, so you can see it's going to clear the cache from our Windows PC. And for the next setup we have advanced cleaner, system slimming or disk config. It's going to optimize your PC local disks. So this is actually a cool thing you can use here on your PC, and this is all about how to clear the cache of your Windows. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends if you like the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Until next quick tutorial videos, bye bye my friends, peace.